What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you enjoyed all this prep work because we're just about to get to the finishing touches of this. We got all the stone going in on this TV wall, on the bar, on these columns, a lot of really cool details to finish this thing out. So make sure you hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe. Stay tuned. We're starting to get our stone up on the columns here. Getting that first piece in. That was a little too big. Cut blade off this. Okay, so we got our little production line set up here. I'm gonna mark these out for Pat. He's gonna cut them. Jose's installing them. So we set up the columns, because this is how the stone comes, like this. We wanted to make it as easy as possible, have as few cuts, and we don't want to have to piece in little pieces. So what we've got is 21.5. We can cut this piece off, cut this edge off, and then we're left with two pieces that we can cut at 10 3/4. So that's what we made our columns. So we're just setting them up here. I'm measuring, marking it, setting them here. Pat's cutting them, and it's gonna go really quick because we need, I think, about 120 of these individual pieces. Setting it up like this gets it done in no time. The guys also got this mantle put in really quick. Nice reclaimed piece of lumber here. It's a true 4 by about 10. Looks really nice. And how did we get that installed? It's so solid. French cleat, what did we do? Let me show you. We put solid blocking back here, and then we had temporary supports on that mantle, and then just lagged it in from the back, and it's super solid. So super easy way to do it. And because we had access to the back of the wall, we could do it this way. So now we're putting up Hardy. This is gonna get stone as well. We got a lot of stonework to do. We got one of these columns done. Looks freaking awesome. I think this is gonna set this whole project off, and now we're on to some of the stone on the privacy wall. We're also doing stone on the bar, and it's raining today. So we got the tent set up. We're gonna work underneath the pergola. Perfect demonstration of how this top gal roof keeps us nice and dry. So we're gonna get this done. We're gonna get this done. Basically as much as we can. What do you think, Pat? We got this same stone going up that we used on our last project. Different color here, but it's really nice because it goes up really easy.
Pretty quick.
It's not like a single piece stone veneer where it takes forever. And it still looks really cool. It's a little bit more of a modern look, which I freaking love. We got it going on the bar. We got it going on the privacy wall. It's already on this column. It's looking freaking sweet. It's raining like crazy right now, but everybody is in good spirits.
Out here. Out here.
This guy's in good spirits.
Out here.
Maybe we'll go golfing today. I keep stepping on the tiles.
Hey, Sean. Great vlog last night.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You like it?
Yeah.
Enjoying this rain, bud?
Oh, I love it. It's my favorite weather. Makes me feel like I'm in Seattle.
Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy. What time is it?
Plant time. With Pat.
So what do we got going on here?
Plants.
And what are we doing with them?
Planting them.
All right. So we have some nice plants going in here to set off the front of this deck. And what are these again?
These are Indian Mills Nursery.
No, that's where they're from.
Oh.
These are tradition azaleas. So we're gonna have a row of azaleas here. They can grow into a nice hedge, and they'll have some beautiful pink flowers in the springtime, which is gonna look great. And in front of that, we have some liriope, which is looking real nice and big. I like it. And what do we have here, Scooter?
These guys?
Yep.
I'm gonna take a guess here and say variegated maiden grass.
Variegated maiden grass, you got that right. We got some miscanthus here, and it's got this nice variegated foliage. So these will grow up a little bit taller on this side, which is gonna be nice. Just kind of frame out the deck real nicely there. So these guys are getting those in, doing a great job. And this has been
Plant Time with Pat.
There you go, you just saw the maiden voyage of a piece of tile. What do we got going on here?
Stone. A lot of it.
It's going all up here, and as you can see, Mr. Lombardo,
Trying.
he's got this little notch coat here, and then we're back buttering all of them because the back is a little bit uneven, and we want maximum adhesion, we want full coverage.
We want to collapse the ridges.
Collapse the ridges, and that's what we got going on here. So we're finishing this up here. We also have to finish up these columns. Jose's working on that. We already got all of these cut the other day, so they should go up pretty quick. We got so much stone here, it's looking awesome. Ant, did you get that access door in?
Sure did.
Ant, I told you, where's the hinges? He needs to be able to get in there. There can't be screws. What? What's going on? What just happened? What the? Oh my God. Are those magnets?
Magnet.
Oh my God. We have this steel bar on both sides. We've recessed magnets into this access door so you don't see any ugly hinges. Put that back on there. Oh,
Perfect.
that's pretty cool. Magnetic access door. Boards line up really nicely here. And it's really freaking strong. Science.
Science.
Pretty sweet. So these are the Deckorators by Hinckley sconce lights. Really cool little fixture. All you do is just mount this on here, 2 screws. Everything is all self-contained. It's got an LED module right there. And then here's the cover. Once you mount that, just slides right on top. Gives it a really cool, clean, sleek look. And then we have the lead dropping down here. And the leads to the fixture just get screwed into the top here. And then this is a pierce point that goes on top. These are also in my Amazon store, so check them out. I really like these, easy to use, and keep it going really quick. So we got a bunch of these up. We've got 3 of these Deckorators by Hinckley lights here, and then we have alternating up lights in the bed. So we kind of have a down up effect. It's gonna look really cool at night. I'm not gonna get any pictures yet, but those will be coming soon. We got all of our plants in, all of the stone is done. We also hung the TV, and we got these cafe lights up. Everything is looking really, really sweet. We got some finishing touches to do on this. We're gonna have an angle iron that butts up to this and then covers up this here. So it ties in with our post column detail and just kind of finishes off those edges. But everything is coming together beautifully. Check out the bar. Just a couple little details left. Everything's looking real good though. Well, that's it for this vlog. You're gonna have to wait until the time-lapse video comes out to see all the finished pictures after we finish these couple little details. We gotta put down some sod. We gotta finish up a couple little pieces of trim here, but not too much to go. It is looking really, really,
really sweet. So
make sure you hit subscribe, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.